In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to PayPal. We'll do this using a trusted Google Forms add-on called Payable Forms, so you can collect payments right from your form without any custom code. Start in the Google Forms editor. Look to the top right corner and open the three-dot menu. From there, choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can safely add extra features to Google products. In the search bar, type Payable Forms. You're looking for the add-on that specifically mentions enabling payments in Google Forms. Open its page to review details like the description and reviews, then click Install. You may be asked to choose your Google account and grant permissions so the add-on can work with your form. This is normal for Workspace add-ons. Read the prompts, and when you're comfortable, allow the requested access. You can always remove an add-on later from the same marketplace if you change your mind. Once installation finishes, return to your form. At the top of the editor, click the Add-ons icon. It looks like a small puzzle piece. From the list that appears, select Payable Forms. Then choose Configure Payment Settings, which opens a sidebar. This is your control center for payment providers and form pricing options. In the sidebar, click Connect a Provider. This is where you link PayPal so payments can be processed when people submit your form. Select PayPal from the provider list. A secure window will guide you to sign in and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions from PayPal to confirm access. Use the PayPal account you plan to receive payments with, and make sure it's set up to accept funds in your preferred currency. As always, enter your credentials only in the official PayPal window and never share them elsewhere. After PayPal is connected, return to the Payable Forms sidebar. Next, click Add Sample Payments section. This automatically inserts a ready-made section in your Google form with example product or fee fields and pricing. It's a quick way to see how the payment flow is structured. You can customize the names, descriptions, and amounts later to match your event ticket, order form, or service fee, whatever you're collecting payments for. The add-on will handle the payment logic behind the scenes so that respondents are directed to complete payment through PayPal after submitting the form. And that's it. You've installed Payable Forms, connected PayPal, and added a sample payment section to your Google form. From here, you can fine-tune your items and prices, and you'll be set to accept payments smoothly.